Why your car's fuel burns so fast. High fuel consumption fix. Is your gas tank emptying faster than your wallet likes? High fuel consumption is a common car problem, but don't panic. We're here to help you diagnose and fix the issue, saving you money at the pump. Several factors can contribute to poor fuel economy. Let's explore some of the most common culprits behind your car's thirst for gasoline. We'll cover everything from simple fixes to more complex issues. Worn-out spark plugs can significantly reduce fuel efficiency. They're responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your engine. When they're old or damaged, combustion becomes less efficient, wasting fuel. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine. This forces the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Replacing a clogged air filter is a simple and inexpensive way to improve gas mileage. Fortunately, many fuel efficiency problems have easy solutions. Regular maintenance and smart driving habits can make a big difference. Let's look at some practical tips. Check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, making your engine work harder. Proper inflation improves fuel economy and extends tire life. Avoid aggressive driving habits like rapid acceleration and hard braking. These actions consume significantly more fuel. Smooth and consistent driving saves gas and reduces wear and tear. Sometimes, the problem lies deeper within your car's systems. These issues may require more advanced troubleshooting and repair skills. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. A faulty oxygen sensor can disrupt the air-fuel mixture. This can lead to poor fuel economy and potentially damage your catalytic converter. Diagnosing and replacing an O2 sensor can improve mileage. A malfunctioning fuel injector can cause excessive fuel delivery. This results in wasted fuel and potentially engine damage. Cleaning or replacing fuel injectors can restore optimal fuel efficiency. Don't let high fuel consumption drain your bank account. By understanding the common causes and implementing these solutions, you can significantly improve your car's gas mileage. Now it's your turn. Check your tire pressure, replace your air filter, and evaluate your driving habits. If you suspect a more complex issue, consult a trusted mechanic. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful car tips and tricks, and leave a comment below, sharing your own fuel-saving strategies.